Hello, everybody, and welcome to IC Markets Market Commentary. My name is Tamar Mer from Trade with Precision. Now, on Thursday, we're going to get US CPI, and the debate is still ranging in the market between those who believe that the Fed are done hiking their interest rate, and we're going to see a pause for a while, and those who believe that there's still one or even two more interest rate hikes to come. So the numbers on Thursday are going to play a pivotal role in the market perception of where the Fed might take their interest rate. So there are two US dollar crosses that I'm currently watching very closely for potential setup and an opportunity. Now, one of them is in case we're going to see a strengthening of the US dollar, and the other if we're going to see a weakening of the US dollar. So I want to start here with euro dollar, and this is the weekly chart. And as we can see, we've got beautiful uptrend, clear series of higher highs and higher lows. We also pull back into the averages, into the area between the 10 and the 20 moving averages, the bison. We've got the moving averages 10, 20, 50 all fanning, all in the correct order, and the momentum indicators are somewhat flat. Now, what I like about what's going on here with the weekly chart is that for last week, we also printed a bullish rejection candle of this area of the bison. Now, we're going to take a look at this 1.10 level as well. We can see there's been plenty of touches at that area in the past. This is the monthly chart. We can see in and around that 1.10 a lot of activity. So I like this area, and as we can see, we also pinged above this area and now pull back into it. Now, if we'll take a look here on the daily, as the weekly was pulling back into its averages, the lower time frame tend to change direction. So what we had here on the daily is lower highs, lower low, lower highs, lower low. Now what we've got also is another push toward this previous swing high. So we can see we've got a couple of touches and quite precise touches at that level around the 1.1040. So if we'll take a look at the 4 hours, we can see a little bit more information about the price action. So we can see on the way down, this was support, and then we fell to a lower low, pulled back, touched it, and then fell again. Another touch right here, went to a lower low. So we had a push and a second push. Then lots of buyers came in and were able to push the price higher and touch that level again. So that was a strong buying momentum that came back into that level. So this is the area that I'm watching for a potential setup. What I like to see is a turn around this area. So another compressions of price, another precise touch at this level, and I'm going to look for a potential break. Now we can see here on the MACD, we do have some rising on the momentum indicator. So between those touches, we can see that both the MACD and the RSI are also making a higher high. But I need to see some more touches underneath that level because currently we're sitting here pretty much in the middle. Now, a level to watch for if and when the market will push above this 1.1040 is these touches around here. So I'm just going to mark this area now. And this is around the 1.1150. So we can see a couple of touches on the way down, and the latest one has also pushed to a very strong lower low. So euro dollar is in case we're going to see a weakening of the US dollar. So I'm looking for a break, and the level that I'm watching for is the 1.1040 area. The other market is dollar CAD. So this is in case we're going to see a strengthening of the US dollar. So what we can see here in the level that are marked in purple around the 1.34, we had a couple of touches on the way down. We came back, tested it from below, pushed to a lower low, consolidated for a while, and then came very strong buying power to push the price back into that level. What we also have here is overextension. Because we move far and fast, we have a distance between where price action sits right now and the moving averages. So I'd like for the market to catch up with its averages before I'm looking for a potential break. I really like the fact that we have very strong convergence here on the momentum indicators. So as this market is making somewhat equal high, the momentum indicators are actually making higher highs. So my plan for this market is I'm looking for either compressions of price underneath this 1.34, and then I'm looking for a break and a continuation, or if the market will break through from here, so still being quite overextended and pushing from low, then I want to see the market clearing this 1.3550 area, so the previous swing lower high here, and then I'll be looking for a pullback to test this 1.34 from above. If we'll take a look on the weekly, we can see that what the market is trying to do is have a turn around here, but we're still having lower highs and lower lows. So this was the lower high pushed to a lower low. So we haven't yet confirmed a change of direction. So I'm being quite careful in case we are going to break straight away from here and then roll over again. I want to see signs that the buyers are ready to take over control of this market. So two potential trading opportunities that I'm currently stocking on opposite sides of the US dollar. Happy trading, everyone. Bye for now.